Welcome back to another Cage Peach workout. So today's video is sponsored by the one and only, my favorite, Celsius. This is literally the only energy drink that I choose to drink because it is all natural, has no artificial flavors or colors, and I'm all about that. And it actually wakes me up really well. Anyways, today we got booty and abs. I wanted to title it and abs, but YouTube would flag it. I might even have to bleep out the A word. Anyways, today is ass and abs, and feel free to repeat this multiple times. I personally recommend repeating this exact video 2 times just for the sake of time. I'm only gonna do it once, but go back, play this video back again for a full workout. Anyways, let's get started. So now it is time for the booty session. So we are going to do 12 reps of everything. And I'm gonna do it with my Cage Peach band. I personally think that adding a little resistance is really good for a pump and just straining that muscle a little bit more. The first exercise for the booty session is going to be 12 glute bridges with 10 pulses at the end. So if you just completed this once, go play it back again, and I highly recommend you repeat it a second time for a full abs and ass full workout. Anyways, if you want to go check out Celsius, I will leave a link in the description box below. If you haven't yet followed me on Instagram and TikTok, then please go ahead and do so. I do have a fitness account called Keach Peach, and then my personal account is just Daisy Keach, and then TikTok is just my name, Daisy Keach. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Goodbye.